Morning breaks on the mountains high. Rivers sing as the sun draws nigh. From the valleys to the ocean side, we lift our hearts, we lift our eyes.
When the night was heavy on our way, hope felt distant, strength felt far away. Still your voice called out our name. You never changed, you stayed the same.
You are the light over our land, hope in the dark, truth in your hand. From every tribe, from every tongue, we praise the Lord, the Holy One. You are the light over our land, peace like a river, strong we stand. Jesus, our King, forever reign. Your love remains, your love remains. Through the storms and the testing fire, you lift us higher, take us higher. Every tear you understand, you hold our lives inside your plan. Let your spirit fall like rain,
Heal our hearts, break every chain.
from the islands to the hills, your perfect will.
Let your spirit fall like rain. Heal our hearts, break every chain. From the islands to the hills, your perfect will.
You are the light over our land, hope in the dark, truth in your hand. From every tribe, from